Now the topic before us is linear equations variable on both sides. Now the question is solve the following equation and check your results. The equation is given before us. Here x is variable which is present on both the sides of the equation, that is in both the expressions, that is on left hand side and right hand side. There is one variable, that is x, and in the exam the variable may take the shape of a, b, c or p, q, r, t or any other alphabet. So this question contains two parts. First is solve the following equation, that is we will have to find out the value of variable, that is we will find the value of x. And the next part is check your results, that is then we will fill in the value of variable on the left hand side and as well as on the right hand side. So now we will start solving this question. From this question you will please observe that there is one number which is divided by 2 on left hand side, and on the right hand side also there is one number which is divided by 2. So first of all we will write this as it is, 3 over 2x minus 14, because on both the sides there is number which is dividing the figure by 2, so we will multiply both the sides, that is left hand side and right hand side by 2, so that we can solve the question simply. So if we multiply left hand side it becomes this, if we multiply right hand side it becomes this. So now we will solve the bracket, it becomes 10x plus 14 over 2, then it becomes 2 into 3 over 2x minus 28. So it becomes 10x plus 14 will be divided by 2 is x 7, then 2 into 3 it will 2 will be divided by 2, then it becomes 3x minus 28. So now we will take the variable numbers on the one side and the numbers which do not have any variable to the other side. So 10x minus 3x, because this variable is having positive sign, and when it is shifted to the other side, that is left hand side, it will become negative, and minus 28, and this plus 7 item number will be shifted to other side and it becomes negative. So the result is 7x is equal to minus 35, or we can write it as x is equal to minus 5, because 35 will be divided by 7. So x is equal to minus 7. So now the second part of this question is check left hand side expression. What is the left hand side? It is 5x plus 7 over 2. We will fill the value of x. Value of x is minus 5 plus 7 over 2. 5 into minus 5 minus 25 plus 7 over 2. Then it can be written as 2 into minus 25 becomes minus 50 plus 7, it becomes minus 43 over 2. Then we will fill in the value on right hand side expression, it is 3x over 2 minus 14. We will fill the value of x, it becomes 3. What is x? X is minus 5. Minus 5 over 2 minus 14. 3 into minus 5 it becomes minus 15 over 2, then minus 14, then 2 minus 15, then 2 multiplied by 20, 2 multiplied by 14, it becomes minus 28, it becomes minus 28 minus 25, it becomes minus 43 over 2. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, because left hand side it is minus 43 over 2, right hand side minus 40 over 3, 43 over 2. So verified, hence verified. So the next question is, solve the following equation and check your results. Then you will write this question as it is first. 2x over 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x over 15 plus 3. Then what we will do? We will take the numbers which are having variable numbers on the one side, and the numbers which do not have a variable on the other side. So 2x over 3 minus 7x over 15, and this number will be shifted to the other side. It becomes 3 minus 1. So here we will solve it. It is 15, 3 into 5, 5, 5 into 2x minus 7x is equal to 2. So 5 into 2x, it becomes 10x minus 7x is equal to over 15, this, or we can also write it as 3x over 15 is equal to 2, or we can also write it as 3x is equal to 30, or x is equal to 10. Now we will fill in the value of x on the left hand side and right hand side. So check left hand side. What is left hand side? It is 2x over 3 plus 1. So let us fill the value of x. 2 into, what is the value of x? It is 10 over 3 plus 1. It becomes 20 over 3 plus 1, or we can write it as 20 plus 3, 23 over 3. This is left hand side. Now take right hand side expression. What is it? It is 7x over 15 plus 3. So let us fill the value of x. What is the value of x? It is 10 divided by 15 plus 3. It becomes 70 over 15 plus 3. Let us take it 15, 17 plus 15 into 3, it becomes 45. It becomes 153 over 15. We will divide both the sides by 5. It becomes 23 over 3, because 15 when divided by 5 is 3, and when we divide 115 by 5, it becomes 23. So here left hand side is 23 over 3 and right hand side is also 23 over 3. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. That is the value of variable which we had calculated as 10 is okay. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.